Accurate local forecast with meteorologist Jackson Chastain starts now.
All right, Jackson, we had heavy rain out there earlier this morning. Now the sun kind of coming up.
It's looking a lot nicer. Yeah. I'm sure people are glad that the rain is gone. Of course, we have a lot to talk about today and really through the weekend. There is a chance for showers and storms today. There's a chance for storms tomorrow. And then, of course, we see some more rain potentially next week as well. But we take a live look at the satellite and radar. You can see how quickly that line has moved east into parts of the Philly area and even New Jersey. With that in mind, they've actually issued several severe thunderstorm warnings because of the strength of these storms. Now, it is warming up quite quickly in the aftermath of all this rainfall, sitting at about 72 degrees in Harrisburg, 81 now down in Hagerstown. So already, ahead of the game. A lot of us are going to land in the 80s this afternoon with plenty of moisture to work with as well. Dew points in the upper 60s. It is going to be one of those days where we have all the ingredients in place for thunderstorms to form. The question is where and when. Tonight we dip down into the mid-60s for that low. Certainly relatively comfortable outside. Now this is part of a broader severe weather threat that we're seeing for parts of the mid-south, Kentucky, parts of Tennessee, the Ohio Valley as well. For us in the mid-state, it's really not going to be a terrible issue, but certainly something to watch out for. Mainly the threat here is going to be damaging winds and large hail. Yes, maybe a spin-up tornado occurs, but at this point I do think it is relatively unlikely. It is something that we're not ruling out, though. If you take a look at the precision cast, what we see is that these storms are really going to fire up around 5-6 p.m. in the evening, and then they'll really get out of here quite quickly. They're not going to stick around very long. In fact, the evening itself should be relatively dry, but beyond that, we are anticipating another shot at severe weather. That's going to be on our Saturday as well, albeit just a little bit depressed compared to where we were today. Other opportunities for rain include Wednesday and Thursday of next week with some more showers. We're expecting much of the same threat for Saturday as we're seeing for today. Again, that large hail, damaging wind threat. We'll keep you posted on that. Overall, a lot of warmth early on over the next several days, but cool, rainy Wednesday and Thursday. Not looking forward to that 2-day stretch there. But again, we need all this rain. I'll take it because once we get to the summer, you're going to want it to be warm and rain-free. So better get out of the way now, James.
Absolutely. All right. We've been warned. Thank you very much.